So UFC का 322 event pay-per-view है that is done. Islam Makhachev won. I did not really expect that. The pay-per-view was a good watch apart from whatever happened Dylan Dennis के साथ. मेरे को ये वीडियो में बस एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करना है कि what does the welterweight title picture and some potential fights that I think should happen. पहले तो the first fight that I will make for Islam is not going to be Ilya Taporia. Unless Ilya is going to come up to 170, I don't want Islam to go back to 155. First fight that I will make for Islam is going to be Kamaru Usman. Kamaru Usman, former champion. Kamaru Usman, same management. Wrestler who's got great takedown defense, has got hands. So there is a very big potential for that fight. And JDM couldn't really do anything to Islam. Kamaru Usman, I don't know what protocol he is following. He just gets better. So Kamaru Usman versus Islam is going to be the next fight for the championship at 170. Michael Morales, okay, Michael Morales मेरे जितना है, ठीक है. Michael Morales is 25. What he did to Sean Brady. I feel bad for Sean Brady, and I will address him here also. You gotta look out for your fighters, okay? Sean Brady के बारे में मैं थोड़ी देर में बात करता हूँ. I'll set some context पहले. So Michael Morales is going to be fighting Shavkat Rakhmonov. Shavkat is out. He needs to come back and fight someone. The best way to ensure that he is tested and he is earned his place, quote unquote, to be the next contender. Shavkat Rakhmonov versus Michael Morales. Michael Morales will be the next fight after Islam and Kamaru Usman. And I can also say this बहुत confidently कि Shavkat versus Michael Morales can be for the number one contender because Michael Morales just beat Sean Brady. Shavkat has not fought anyone. Shavkat was going to be challenging Balal before whatever injury happened and all that jazz. So undefeated versus undefeated. I think that's the next fight to make. Now I will talk about Sean Brady. Sean Brady को रिस्पेक्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. शॉन ब्रेडी ने अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा अननेसेसरी सिचुएशन में डाला था बिकॉज ही इज़ अ फकिंग फाइटर. उसको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी टू टेक अ फाइट अगेंस्ट माइकल मोरालेस. माइकल मोरालेस वाज 8th रैंक. शॉन ब्रेडी वाज 3rd रैंक. ही कुड हैव जस्ट फकिंग चिल्ड. ही कुड हैव जस्ट इजीली चिल्ड. उसको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी ये फाइट लेने की. You have to respect that. ठीक है, things didn't turn out the way they were supposed to for him. Sean Brady will fight Carlos Prates. He fought someone fucking ranked ekdam below. You need to give him a fun matchup. You can't just not fucking consider that. He could have easily said, fuck this, I'm gonna fight the winner of Islam JDM and he would have had कोई उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकता था. He would have had the claim to the title because he beat Leon Edwards. He submitted Leon Edwards in his last fight. So Sean Brady versus Carlos Prates is going to be the next fight, I feel, for both of them. Prates just finished Edwards with an amazing knockout. Sean Brady needs a couple of fights more so that he can get back into the title picture. पर आपको ये चीज़ भूलनी नहीं है कि ही डिड माइकल मोरालेस एंड द कंपनी अ फकिंग फेवर. तो आप वो चीज़ अनदेखा नहीं कर सकते हो. शॉन ब्रेडी इज़ अ डॉग. ही इज़ अ फाइटर्स फाइटर एंड आपको उसको रिस्पेक्ट करना पड़ेगा एंड यू हैव टू ट्रीट हिम विद सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट. सो शॉन ब्रेडी वर्सेस कार्लोस प्राटेस एंड द फाइनल फाइट, मतलब ये तो ऑलरेडी अनाउंस्ड है, बलाल मोहम्मद वर्सेस इयन गेरी जो होने वाली है. आई थिंक दैट विल बी द नंबर वन कंटेंडर आफ्टर Islam Kamaru Usman. Or if we are getting more creative, the winner of Balal and Ian Gary fights the winner of Shavkat and Michael Morales because The two possibilities are if Balal wins, Balal, and if Shafkat wins, Balal and Shafkat can happen, or Balal and Michael Morales can happen. If Ian Gary wins, Ian Gary versus Shafkat rematch हो जाएगा, and Ian Gary versus Michael Morales हो जाएगा. I don't know when Shafkat is returning, so Shafkat versus Michael Morales will have to wait. I really don't know when he's returning, but I feel Kamaru Usman, Islam के बाद, if they need a number one contender, Balal versus Ian is the fight. Ian just beat Prates. Balal needs a rebound fight after he lost to JDM. Now a lot of people are going to say कि JDM का क्या हुआ? I think he needs to chill for a bit. I think ये initial fights के बाद uh, maybe the winners of this fight, like maybe the winner of Sean Brady and Carlos Prates can uh, draw JDM. He's he's not bad. He was just out wrestled, and I feel a lot of people are gonna shit on Jack Della Maddalena, and people are just by fans need to just chill out. By it's fine. It happens. So I feel maybe Carlos Prates और Sean Brady का जो winner है that can fight JDM if that works out. But yeah, welterweight, because of uh, Islam being in the mix, and it has got so many good fighters now. It is almost like 155 जो UFC का 155 division है, उसके जैसा things are shaping up. But I would want these fights to happen because it makes sense also. आप ranking पे थोड़ा कर सकते हो, but you also have to look at what the fighter has done. If a fighter, अगर कोई fighter who's top 5 and he's fighting someone who's like 8th rank and he's putting his spot on the line, you have to take care of them somehow. So that's my fights and my opinion. If you like this, make sure you video को thumbs up कर दो, subscribe करो. And yeah, I'm excited for next week's UFC Qatar. Let's see what Arman Sarukian does to Dan Hooker. And Ian Gary and Balal Muhammad, I'll be watching that co-main event also. Yeah, that's it. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe. Chalo, bye.